Look at all these trees. Look at this drive home we have. Isn't this beautiful? This is called Austin P Highway. Veterans Boulevard. And then come around the circle, there's Walmart right there. I think so.
Yeah, I remember we came out the parking lot that way, but we came out, then we go that the next Goodwill there, that's just a regular Goodwill.
I don't know.
That's just a donation center.
Got all these trees and stuff around here. You can see, like, it's basically houses in a forest. And they got a church everywhere you turn around. That's First South Financial and the post office. This is our drive home from, well, we just got out of the deep woods. These are kind of just the city area now. We got all kind of stuff coming out. We got, what do we got? Oh, we got a Chick-fil-A. I'll tell you what, out here in the South, that's where people line up to eat there. And Bojangles, that's a good place. This is a big old lake down there. I don't think I can quite get it with my phone. And there's a library over there. It's huge. We're gonna go fish these lakes. We haven't fished these lakes yet. We're stopping at the light. What we got over here? We got a Subway, a Tokyo and Grill, Rainbow, the Beauty Supply. Yeah, we go to Millington to do our shopping because we like to eat at that Olympic steak and pizza place. We go there once a month. I think most people think we live there now. And then a church. McDonald's. Mike's Autoplex. Then over here, pretty big road right here. Each side is 3 lanes right here, so at rush hour, I'm sure this is a lot of hot mess. And the store over there says Gen X. Yeah. Come up here and we'll jump on the freeway, and that's, I tell you what, the freeways out here in Memphis, that's not anything to laugh at. You're just in constant danger. All the U-Haul trucks are out here. There's like lots of them, because when people in California, they're not moving back to California, so they don't hardly have any U-Haul trucks. I heard that they had to start shipping them back. And you see California license plate, now and again around here still. I guess some people just took them longer to leave. Yeah. These are we're getting ready to rock and roll. You can get in front of you, and this guy hopefully can drive decent. Because how these people are driving right now is not usually how they drive. It's because we got a policeman over here, so he's thinking everybody drive decent. I think he's pacing. It's 50 miles per hour.
All that time they get over there. They did all that.
She looked like she was kind of angry. Maybe she's just having a bad day. Airplane landing. I don't know if you can see it. This is those everything out here. It seems like a complete circle if you getting on and off the freeways. It's like a circle. So here's. Well, it's good to see trucks are still running. We went to Walmart and they're just about, all the toilet paper was gone. And people are buying the toilet paper and the eggs. So we didn't get any toilet paper, but we're still pretty stocked. So we'll just kind of watch out for toilet paper. Hopefully we can grab a couple more somewhere. That's how they drive. Just tore up. Roads, man, these roads get congested. Oh my goodness. More trees. There's so much dangerous animals in those trees, it's unreal. See all these trees, and there'll be a house here or there, a lake here or there. Look at these. Millington Pike. Just freeway going through the woods. Woods for days, so then it's easier to see on the distance than off to the side. Yeah, you look out here and sometimes you might see a deer or an eagle or anything is possible. There's definitely a lot of snakes over here, I tell you what. Yeah, they were fishing by a copperhead snake.
Copperhead, it's poisonous copperhead. So
then they go, well, we're watching them, we're good.
I think they said, what, he was asleep or something, or he was just moving that well. I don't care. I'm moving the fish somewhere else.
I'll just let the snake sleep there, and I'm gonna go somewhere else. Millington Pike. There's more woods, just woods and woods for days. It is beautiful. Big old truck. Rusty truck. It just doesn't, probably just gonna fall apart and disintegrate. Here's some trees. Here it looks like that's where they do the nature stuff, the recycling type things like wood and stuff, and they process it.
Stuff,
Yeah.
All the rubbish, fallen trees.
All the fallen tree limbs and stuff. Look at this bridge. Goes way up and over. If I can get down there. See down there, yeah. Yeah. This is an interesting drive, huh? Surprised this bridge has lasted through all these storms. Got some bumpy parts on these roads. like they've been working on the roads a little bit though. Oh, here's a lake. You don't see very many convertibles out here.
I know it. You don't see a lot of convertibles. Well, the way it is out here.
Yeah.
It's up such a short window, you can really enjoy it.
Yeah, we're driving back from Millington, going back to Cordova. But there's a couple different paths that you can take going up there. We'll go. Oh yeah, that's an extension to Bass Pro Shop from the pyramid. Yeah. It's pretty. It's okay. They have a giant bear in there. It's not. It's like a stuffed bear. Yeah, that stuffed bear. Man, I just couldn't stop looking at him. He was so giant. I just couldn't imagine anything being that giant. Yeah, we got trees. Crazy drivers.
He's in a hurry.
He's in a hurry, so he's going to get on his tail and do everything he can to make traffic be hard.
Now there he goes.
Yeah, he's going to go over there, and that car's going to go by.
Now there he goes.
And he's going to hurry up and try to be aggressive that way. Because he wasn't moving this guy. This guy goes, well, do what you want. I'm doing this speed.
So they got that duty.
Yeah, you're not pushing me along. Because I'm comfortable and I'm driving safely. Deal with
Days
me.
of all rush. Some days are done.
Yeah, days are done.
Take our time, though.
We got off there at Whitten Road, huh?
Come up on Outland next. So we come back to our exit.
Yeah, we're getting ready to come to our exit. Look at these. They're so beautiful. I just love this ride, if anything. And you never know when you come about these little fields like this, what you're gonna see. But for the most part, the deer have learned to stay away from the roads. I think they just try to stay safe that way. You have to be more careful on the little back roads because that's where they might jump out on you. Road. That's one of the exits to our house. We have Appling and then Germantown, either way. See the crosses?
Yeah, Bellevue Church.
And Bellevue. We'll get a better look at the crosses here in a minute. Bellevue Church is massive. Man, they are just huge. It's like a small city. Up on the crosses. These crosses are like most historic out here. And there they are. Look how big. Took them a lot to get those up. Not cheap right there. That was probably expensive. And over here is the church. It's like they have a school there and everything. They have everything there.
They own that over there too.
Yeah, they own this side too.
Water fountain. It's beautiful out through here.
The water fountain.
Bellevue got a nice. They got a nice. This church over here, Bellevue.
Yeah.
Man, they own a lot of stuff.
Beautiful church. Yeah, this is just all a bunch of greenery and houses and places where people live. There's a community there. Just nice little communities. These here are like little apartments, I believe, just one level. is kind of the back way into our house.
Changing of the seasons.
Well, they moved that little taco truck over there, didn't they?
Yeah, it could go to different places, don't it?
That phone will focus. There it goes.
Every time you look, they get sitting there.
Is that a different
It
place?
moves around. Yeah, I guess it just asks the people who own the property. You know, they probably pay them so much to have their truck there for so long.
Coming into the back way to our house. This road could get a little bumpy. Got a lot of trees that get really overgrown, so this is like a real tiny road. So you gotta, especially after a storm, you gotta kind of watch it out here, this back road. But I think it's used by a lot of people. Looky there. Kind of a cool ride back to the house, you know. It's almost like you're in a tunnel of trees. Then it opens up over here, and then we're almost there. That's not our housing. Our housing district is the next one.
With chicks.
There we go. This is the right in from the front gate.
Got the pumpkins out. They're starting to get their pumpkins and stuff out. They're getting ready for Halloween, the holiday house.
Called the holiday house.
Tell what season of the month is. Look over there, the holiday
You
house.
can always tell. This is our little community, little happy place.
House there for sale. That's not a bad looking house.
Yeah, got a few houses for sale around here.
Oh, better slow down. He's going pretty fast. Better do that a little more.
This one has a lake in front of it, but they don't maintain it very well.
He keep at it. Not maintained well at all.
Got houses galore. And here we come up. Some beautiful houses around here.
There's our house, the Moore Manor.
Yeah. Here's
Beautiful.
our house, the Moore Manor. Having trouble getting it very well. And here we are.
Yeah, they're doing a good job on the yard, man. When they
Yeah,
come and mow it and get it
The
all.
guys came and did the yard. Looks good. And we're getting ready to come in and park it and unload the groceries.
Yeah.
Alrighty, I will let this load and I'll talk to you later, big brother.